Okay, this is the sound that it's giving me. Almost sounds like it wants to crank. Gas in it. I think it's going to make a difference. Already a bunch of gas in there.
Did you move your stuff off the counter in the kitchen?
Yeah, I will in just a
I'm
second.
assuming you're using chemicals and are not safe for food.
No, not in there, I'm not.
Okay. Could you please clean it?
Yeah, well, I'm recording a video in just a second, please.